Hi, I'm Maddie, and today we're going to be teaching you all the steps to watermelon crawl by Tracy Byrd.
Howdy, and welcome to the Bar SC Ranch, where you will experience our journey of running a family business, caring for animals, and doing life together. Subscribe now and be inspired here at the Bar SC.
Watermelon crawl is a 40-count four-wall dance. We're going to break it down into counts of 8 so that it's easier. We're going to go ahead and turn around so that you can follow our feet. Starting with our right foot, we're going to go toe, heel, triple step. So just that one step again with our right foot, toe, heel, triple step. Then we're going to do the same thing with our left foot, toe, heel, triple step. So go ahead and put those both together with our right foot, toe, heel, triple step, and then with our left foot, toe, heel, triple step. So that was the first 8 counts. Next, we're going to teach you the second 8 counts, and then we're going to put those 2 8 counts together. So we're going to go ahead and turn around. We're going to start by stepping with our right foot, step. Then with our left foot, we're going to kick, clap, clap, step, and then tap with our toe. We'll go ahead and do that again. So stepping with your right foot, kick, clap, clap, step, toe. We're going to do that a total of 2 times. So starting with your right foot, step, kick, clap, clap, step, toe, step, kick, clap, clap, step, toe. And now we're going to go ahead and put both 8 counts together. So facing this way, 5, 6, 7, 8. Toe, heel, triple step, toe, heel, triple step. Step, kick, clap, clap, step, toe, step, kick, clap, clap, step, toe. Next, we're going to teach you the third 8 counts and then add that into the others. So what we're going to do is we're going to grapevine to the right. And what I mean by that is you're going to step with your right, step behind with your left, step with your right, and then together. Awesome. So we'll go ahead and do that one more time quickly. So to the right, we'll go step, behind, step, together. Then we can do the same thing to the left, step, behind, and then this time we're going to turn and step. So we'll do those 2 together a little bit. So we'll go to the right, step, behind, step, together, step, behind, step, turn. We'll go ahead and add that into the others. Starting this way, 5, 6, 7, 8, toe, heel, triple step, toe, heel, triple step, step, kick, clap, clap, step, toe, step, kick, clap, clap, step, toe. Grapevine right, grapevine left, turn. Perfect. Next, we're going to teach you the following 8 counts. Now this is the hardest one of them all. You're going to step, shimmy, step together, step, shimmy, step together. And that's it. So let's go ahead and add that into the rest of it. Starting facing the back, 5, 6, 7, 8, toe, heel, triple step, toe, heel, triple step, step, kick, clap, clap, step, toe, step, kick, clap, clap, step, toe. Grapevine right, grapevine left, turn, shimmy, shimmy. Awesome. And now we're going to teach you the last 8 counts. Facing this way, we're going to start with a kick ball change with our right foot. So kick, ball, change, kick, ball, change. We're going to do that a total of 2 times. So again, kick, ball, change, kick, ball, change. And then we're going to step with our right foot and turn over our left shoulder. Then we're going to do that same thing again, step with our right and turn over our left shoulder. And that's the final 8 counts. Next, we're going to go ahead and do the whole dance through. So facing the back, 5, 6, 7, 8. Toe, heel, triple step, toe, heel, triple step. Step, kick, clap, clap, step, toe. Step, kick, clap, clap, step, toe. Grapevine right, grapevine left, turn, shimmy, shimmy. Kickball change, step, turn, turn. Awesome, and that's the whole dance through. Join us in our next video where we dance watermelon crawl to the music. Check out our line dancing playlist for some more instructional videos. We'll see you next time.
If you enjoyed this video, we would love to hear from you. Like and subscribe, and leave us a comment on what you'd like to see in future episodes. We'll see you back at the ranch.